Welcome to 3335 Harwell Road in Mobile, Alabama. This is just outside of Semmes, Alabama. This is a new construction home that is ready for you and your family. This home features beautiful granite countertops, a tiled backsplash in the kitchen, along with stainless steel appliances. One of my favorite features of this home is you have a little mudroom here off of the garage. It is over 1,500 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom with 2 baths. It's in the Mary G. Montgomery High School District. There's luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas, tile flooring in the bathrooms, and carpet in the bedrooms. Don't forget, this builder will pay up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing cost. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free home analysis to show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.